Hey guys, today we're going to talk about glute focused and quad focused step ups. So anytime you want to utilize the glutes more and focus on them, you want more hip flexion. Anytime you want to focus more on the quads, you want more knee flexion. So get that bend in the knee there. So how this equates to the step up, what we're going to do is come up here. We're going to have, if we want to bias our glutes first, we're going to have more of a 90-degree angle here for the knee, a forward lean to have more of that hip flexion, and you're going to drive through that front heel. This back foot or this back leg, you want to keep it straight. You don't want to push off. Pushing off, you are using more of the other leg and you're taking away from the leg, from the glute here. So what you really want to do, try to keep this leg nice and straight and focus on pushing through that front heel. Again, you can hang on if you need to. So from here, coming up, really feeling that right in the glute here. Coming up. Now, if you want to go quads, what you're going to do, you're going to come a little more forward. You're going to have a more upright torso and more bend in the knee here. So notice here how much flexion I have in the knee versus at my hip. Here again, I'm going to try to keep this leg that's down as straight as I can. Really try not to push off of that back leg. Really trying to here, just push off again through the foot. Coming up, as I come down, notice that flexion there. It's a greater flexion than the hip, using more quads. I hope that helps, guys. If you guys have any questions, please feel free, leave them in the comments. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.